Have you ever pondered upon the enigma that is Julius Caesar? Was he a king in all but name, or was he the restorer of the Roman Republic? As we delve into the annals of history, let us unravel the life and achievements of this monumental figure. Born in the year 100 BC in the heart of Rome, Gaius Julius Caesar was destined to make his mark on history. Raised in a time of political unrest, he was no stranger to the intricacies of power and governance. His early life was marked by an unwavering resolve and an uncanny knack for political maneuvering. By the age of 25, Caesar had been captured by pirates, ransomed for an impressive sum, and had then proceeded to track down and crucify the very pirates who had held him captive. A testament to his indomitable spirit, this incident was a mere prelude to the great deeds that were to follow. In the year 59 BC, Caesar ascended to the position of consul, one of the highest posts in the Roman Republic. During his tenure, he implemented a series of radical reforms aimed at addressing Rome's many societal issues. These included agrarian laws to redistribute public land to Rome's poor and a reformation of the Roman calendar. However, it was his military conquest that truly solidified Caesar's place in history. From 58 to 50 BC, Caesar led his legions to conquer the entirety of Gaul, extending Rome's territories to the English Channel and the Rhine. His military genius, coupled with his ability to win the loyalty of his troops, was unparalleled. Yet Julius Caesar was not without his adversaries. His increasing power and popularity led to fears of a return to monarchy. This culminated in his infamous assassination in 44 BC, a day still remembered as the Ides of March. But was Caesar truly aiming for kingship, or was he merely a product of his time, navigating the tumultuous waters of Roman politics to restore stability and prosperity to the Republic? As we reflect upon the life of Julius Caesar, we see a man of extraordinary brilliance and ambition. From his humble beginnings to his dramatic end, his life was a testament to his unwavering resolve and political acumen. His reforms, while controversial, aimed at addressing the societal issues plaguing Rome. His military victories expanded the Republic's territories, bolstering its strength and influence. Yet the specter of monarchy that haunted his rule cannot be disregarded. His accumulation of power and his eventual appointment as dictator in perpetuity were alarming developments that fueled the fears of his contemporaries. In conclusion, Julius Caesar was a figure of paradoxes. A brilliant military strategist, a shrewd politician, a reformer, and yet a man who seemingly flirted with the idea of kingship. The question of whether he was a king or a restorer of the Republic is one that may never be definitively answered. But one thing is certain: Julius Caesar was a man who left an indelible mark on the pages of history. Remember to subscribe and delve more into the captivating world of history with us. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning,